Hi friends, good evening. Today we are going to have one more question based on seating arrangement. Alright, so far we had total 3 questions based on seating arrangement, and this question is a little different one where very less clues are given, but the logic is very good logic in this question. This question is being taken from a very recently conducted competitive exam. And another advantage with this question is a very good example and very good question to make the students understand the concept of seating arrangement in the linear manner. Alright, now here in this question they have given 8 persons are seated on a straight line, right? And moreover they have given some of them are facing south, some of them are facing north. They have not even given the number, how many facing south, how many facing north. You just do one thing, pause the video and make a note of this question, right? Quickly make a note of this question after pausing the video. Alright, then after that, and if you're feeling any difficulty in writing down the question, anyway I'm going to type the question, upload the question with the video, and that will be appearing to you in the below the video, so that you can refer this one while watching the video. Alright, so now in the question you must have seen this one. 8 persons are there, some are facing north, some are facing south. Generally nowadays, recently, the examiner, what they are doing, they are preparing questions in such a way that with only one arrangement, very less questions are being solved. Before solving the question, before arriving at the final arrangement, student has to think in many angles, right? Sometimes 2 arrangements they have to start with, sometimes even 3 arrangements also, and gradually clue by clue you have to go by taking all the clues into consideration, and finally mostly one arrangement is going to be left out. And this question is not an exception for this one. This question should be started with the 3 arrangements, and gradually we can reduce 2 out of the 3 and only 1 is going to be left out. How they have given total 8 persons are there. I have already taken 8 dots in this way. Alright, now the first one you see, they have given in this way, F sits second to the left of G. F sits second to the left of G means one thing is clear that F's position is based on that of G's position. But I don't know where to place G and which direction G is looking at. For that reason, keep the information in the buffer. F sits second to the left of G. Then they have given something about G. G sits fourth to the right of A. Now you observe here the learners particularly. Now G's position is depending upon that of A's position. F's position is based on G's position. Now first try to accommodate A first. Try to place A on the chart. Based on A, probably I can go for G, then followed by correspondingly F. But here G sits fourth to the right of A, but we don't know where A is placed. They have given a clue. A faces north. So A faces north, the direction is okay, but they have given A does not sit at any extreme ends of the line. Means what does it mean? A cannot be on the left hand or on the right hand. And A is facing north. So I am taking one of the places for A here. A is facing north. Now with this, take the clue here. Now A is facing north. G sits fourth to the right of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am taking G here. Alright. Now F's relation. F sits second to the left of G. Now you see, F sits second to the left of G means I don't know whether G is facing north or south. If G is facing north, F sits second to the left of G means 1, 2. F can be here. Roughly I am writing here. If it is south, now this is left side. If G is south, left side 1, 2. F can be here. This is the best way to start the question, right? But I don't know A's place is this one. I cannot confirm this one. So what is the other possibility for A? A should be in this way or can be in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can take A here now. Facing north. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. This is G. Alright. Now here F sits second to the left of G. F sits second to the left of G means F faces north. Only I can get the second place. If G faces, right? G faces north. Only then I can take F is second to the left of G. If G is facing south on the left side of G, there is no place at all. For that reason, in this arrangement, G should face north. Now 1, 2, second place should be given to F. A, G, F are placed here. But it may not be the final position because one more place is left out for A here. So the third possibility may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I am taking A here, right? In the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, fourth place I am taking here, right? This is. If A is facing north, 1, 2, 3, fourth place should be given to G, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Now correspondingly, F's place, G should face north only because F is second to the left of G, first, second. It's going to be F. In this way, you need to start the question because there is no other way to start the question with except this one. So first I have taken A here. If A is here, then G must be here, and F has two equally possible places. Whereas in this one, A is facing north, G's place is here, and F's place is second to the left of G. That is confirmed. Now if A is here, G is here, this is the last place then, right? Then F should be on the left side. Alright, now go for the next information now. E sits third to the right of H. H is neither an immediate neighbor of A nor G. Now E sits third to the right of H. E's position is based on that of H's position. H is neither an immediate neighbor of A nor G. Now, if you take this arrangement, H cannot be here. Not the neighbor of A and not the neighbor of G. These two places. Alright, students, just observe this one. This is a very good clue inside this one. What is that one? H cannot be here, here, here or here. Now, H must be either here or here. But already these two places are possible places for F. The same two places are possible places now for H. What is the conclusion there? The conclusion is that this place must be given to either F or H, and this must be given to either F or H. Means finally these two places must be mutually divided between F and H. Observe this one. There is no other person can be accommodated on these two places. This is one of the very important findings in seating arrangement. Every student should learn this one, right? I repeat this one. This position should be filled up by either F or H. Either F or H means these two places must be given to any one of these two only, F or H, not to any other person. Remember this. Right. Now, I am going for the second arrangement. Means according to this arrangement, second clue is okay. Now, I am taking this one. Now here, H is not an immediate neighbor of A or G. Now, according to this arrangement, H must be placed here now. Now I can go for E's position. Why I have not taken E's position here? Because first of all, H position is not confirmed. That's the reason why I kept E aside. Now here, E's position based on H, E sits third to the right of H. Now H is here, third right side. H must be facing north. 1, 2, 3. It should be given to E. Confirm. In the next one, H cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here. Now, if H is here, E should be third to the right of H. There is no other place for H on the left side. So, first, second, third. If it is H, first, second, third, it cannot be E. For that reason, H cannot be here. Now, only place for H is this one, and it should face north. 1, 2, 3. It should be given to E. Hope you are following this one, right? One of the very good questions. Listen carefully. So, now, till now, all the three arrangements are possible. I cannot eliminate any of the arrangements. Now go for the next one. Next information. Both the immediate neighbors of B face south. Observe this information carefully. If you are keen enough, try to observe this one. With this information, we can eliminate 2 out of the 3 possibilities there. Now you see this one. First I am going with this one. Now both the immediate neighbors of B face south. Now where shall I go for B now? Both the immediate neighbors of B face south means already this is facing north. So B cannot be here, cannot be here, because if B is here, A should be the neighbor already facing north. But according to this one, both the immediate neighbors of B face south. B cannot be here, B cannot be here. Already I told you this place is to be given to F or H, not for B. Now B can be here, of course B can be here, and B can be here, B cannot be here. Means on the whole, according to the first arrangement, B must be accommodated adjacent to G, right? Means what does it mean? If B is here or here, listen carefully. If B is here or here, any one place is possible. If you keep B here or here, in both the cases, G would be one of the neighbors of B there. So, immediate neighbors of B face south. My final conclusion is, if you keep B here or here, G must be facing south. There is no other way. Alright, hope you got the idea, right? It's very important point. B can be here or here, wherever B may be, G must be facing south. Now don't forget the clues there. If G is facing south, I can find out the place of F here, because they have given F sits second to the left of G. F sits second to the left of G. Since he is facing south, that is left side, this is right side. Now F sits second to the left of G, first, second. Now F's place is confirmed. When it is given to F, it should be given to H. Alright. Now don't forget, H place, E place is depending upon that of H. E sits third to the right of H. If H is here, where shall I keep E now? Third place. Since I don't know whether H is facing down or up, south or north. So, first, second, third. If H is here, E can be here. Or H is here, 1, 2, 3. E can be here. See how they have prepared the question, right? Another possibility here or here. Right? Now, B's position is either here or here. This is the final conclusion for this one as far as B faces, means both the immediate neighbors of B face south. By using that information, I confirmed F's place, confirmed H place. B can be here or can be here, and correspondingly with H, E can be here or here. This is the way. Alright, now I am going for the same information with these two arrangements. Both the immediate neighbors of B face south. Now you see, these two arrangements can be eliminated with this information, because I cannot accommodate B here. How is that? Now both the immediate neighbors of B face south. When both the immediate neighbors of B face south, already it is north. I cannot keep B here. Anyway, it is north. I cannot keep B here. All the places are filled up. Now G is facing north. I cannot keep B here or here, means there is no place for B according to this arrangement. So this arrangement is eliminated. Got it? We are on the safe side now. Now here I cannot keep B here because this person is facing north. Immediate neighbors of B should face south. Now B cannot be here. B cannot be here. Already all these three are over. Since G is facing north, I cannot keep B here. There is no room for B according to this one also. So this is also ruled out. Now these two are gone. Alright, this is the logic. This is the way to think. Now confine yourself here now. Now the possible places for B here are here. Possible places for E here are here. Now I am going for the next information now. Next one is only 3 people sit between B and C. Think it carefully. Every clue is important for us, right? Only 3 people sit between B and C. Now I am having 2 places for B. Now just go for this one. Suppose if I keep B here, only 3 people should be between B and C. If I keep B here, 1, 2, 3, there is no other place. Then if I keep B here, absolutely C's place should be 1, 2, 3. If B is here, C must be here. Think it over. If C is here, E must be here. I am writing the values here. Now, if B is here, I am taking B here. I am taking B just here. I am taking B. If B is here, 1, 2, 3, C should be here. If C is here, this place should be given to E there. It should be given to E. Because when B is here, B cannot be here. This is E. 3 places between B and C. Can I go like this? Many students may say that yes, we can go for this one, but observe students, this is not the right arrangement. Why is this not the right arrangement? Of course I can go for B here, 3 places between B and C, that is okay. C means E can be here, that is okay. But what about the relation between H and E? Clearly they have given E is third to the right of H. E is third to the right of H means if I keep E here, H is already accommodated, the new person is E now. If E is here, E should be third to the right of H. In this case, H should face north. Then what happens? If H faces north, I cannot accommodate B here because both the immediate neighbors of B should face south. For that reason, I cannot accommodate E here, right? And I cannot accommodate, of course, B here. For that reason, this place is possible place for B or E. When I'm not going to take E here, it must be B. Alright. So the next one is, because B's place is not here now. Now B should be here. Then 1, 2, 3 people between B and C. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. It should be C. Now H is here. Third place should be, E should be third to the right of H. 1, 2, 3. That is already over. Now 1, 2, 3. It should be E's place. Now the question is, E is third to the right of H. E is third to the right of H. H is here. E should be third to the right of H. H should be facing south. You have to go in this way. And don't forget this information. Both the immediate neighbors of B face south. Now it is already south. It should be south. This is the way, right? Then go for the next information. B and D face the direction opposite to that of F. Anyway, only one place is left out. I am giving this one to D. I should give that one to D. Now the information is B and D face opposite directions of F. A direction that is opposite to that of F. F is already south. Now B should be north. D should be north. Because the information is B and D face the direction opposite to that of F. And finally, people sitting at extreme ends face opposite direction. Already this person is facing south. Extreme end people should be facing opposite direction. It is south. It must be north. Now the next one is immediate neighbors of A face opposite directions. Observe this one. Immediate neighbors of A face opposite direction means both the immediate neighbors of A face the directions which are opposite to each other. Each other means one of the neighbors of E is facing north, other neighbor must face south. This is the way. Alright, now all the conditions are fulfilled. I hope you understood this one. You must understand this one. This is one of the very good questions I have seen in the recent past. So that is the reason why I wanted to take this question, and my intention is that every student should get the aptitude in a proper manner. Now observe this one. How logical question is this one? They prepared this question very well, and you can expect this type of questions in the competitive exams nowadays. Only one thing, friends, I am telling you, while doing these questions, focus on the question. That is very important, and think from all the angles there. Now see how we have started. 3 arrangements we have taken, one by one, the linking information you take. Don't forget the previous information and try to focus on the further future information, right? So that what happens, the future means the next information, so that you will be in touch with that one. And I'll tell you one more thing, the question should be in your control, right? When you come into the control of the question will control you, obviously, right? You will be under pressure, so don't be pressurized. Simply with ease you should solve the question. And my next video would be based on this arithmetic. I'll go for arithmetic. Most of the students are sending me mails to discuss one chapter, mixture and alligations. Most probably I'll go for this one, right? Thank you very much.